Best changing pad for smart parents, Nuuly by Ethan and Emma is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. Patent-pending features designed to make your life easier. The manufacturer's patent-pending changing pad offers a sleek design that is easy to clean and has 2 interior pockets for stowing diapers, diaper cream and clothes. A specially designed removable easy pull wipe pouch keeps wipes moist and is easily dispensed using one hand. The manufacturer's large changing mat unrolls with one hand, and boasts a soft pillow for comfortable changing. The non-skid backing means baby stays put as you change diapers and outfits. Take everything you need with you. Diapers, wipes, outfit changes and more. This changing pad packs tons of storage so you can carry your baby in one hand, and all your essentials in the other. Great as a standalone bag or to accompany diaper bag. Carry baby essentials like diapers, wipes, diaper cream and a change of clothes all neatly stowed in mesh pockets. Use in public restrooms or the back of your car to make sure baby is always clean and dry. The manufacturer's pad is extra wide and long, meaning your baby will be protected from dirty changing table surfaces. Never let go of baby. From the exterior button, to the easy pull wipe dispenser, to the folding and unfolding of the manufacturer's changing pad, you can do it all with just one hand. No need to take your eyes or hands off your precious cargo. High-quality design that lasts for years. The manufacturer are confident that the manufacturer's high-end materials and craftsmanship will hold up under years of use. Premium nylon means your product will last for years to come, all while looking great because it's so easy to clean and maintain. With the manufacturer's company's signature 90 days replacement warranty, you'll use this changing pad for years to come.